Hello class, in this video I will be discussing Module 3 Lesson 1, which will tackle trigonometric substitution. Okay, so in this type of strategy in integration, when the integrand contains a squared minus u squared, use the substitution u is equals to a sine theta. When the integrand contains u squared plus a squared, use the substitution u is equals to a tan theta. When the integrand contains u squared minus a squared, use the substitution u is equals to a secant theta. Okay, so let's apply that in example number 1. So here, as we can see, it involves u squared, a squared minus u squared. So sabi dyan is if we encounter that one, we will use the substitution u is equals to a sine theta. Okay, use u is equals to a sine theta. Okay, our a here is of course a squared is equals to 4, so our a here would be 2. Okay, our u here is equals to x squared, so our u is equals to x. So using u is equals to a sine theta, that this would be x is equals to 2 sine theta. Okay, so sine theta is equals to x over 2. So next step would be make a right triangle. If this is theta and sine theta is equals to x over 2, and we know that sine is equivalent to opposite over hypotenuse, so opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so this side would be of course equivalent to 2 squared or 4 minus x squared. Okay, alright, so let's try to substitute this one. Okay, x is equals to 2 sine theta. Okay, we need dx. Dx is equivalent to 2 cosine theta d theta. Okay, we derived it here, 2 cosine theta d theta. Okay, what else do we need? We need this one. So in order for us to substitute this one, we need to manipulate this triangle. You have to remember that we should mix it with a constant. Okay, a constant. So this is the adjacent part and this is the hypotenuse. So of course that would be equivalent to cosine theta. Adjacent part is 4 minus x squared over the hypotenuse. Okay, so square root of 4 minus x squared would be equivalent to 2 cosine theta. Now we have x, we have dx, this is dx, and we have the square root of 4 minus x. So we can now substitute. So x is equals to 2 sine theta, dx is equals to 2 cosine theta d theta over 2 cosine theta. So let's cancel this. The equivalent is 2 sine theta d theta. Okay, so we can now integrate. The integration of that would be negative 2 cosine theta plus c. But this is not the final answer yet. We have to substitute it back. Negative 2, what is equivalent of cosine theta? This is equivalent to square root, okay, 4 minus x squared over 2 plus c. So cancel. This is equivalent to negative 4 minus x squared plus c. So this is our final answer. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 2. Dx for x squared plus 9. As you can see, it involves u squared plus a squared, so we can use u is equals to a tan theta. Okay, our u squared is equals to 4x squared. Our a squared is equals to 9. So our u is equals to 2x. And our a is equals to 3. Okay? So, how do we do it? Okay. We use the substitution u is equals to a tan theta. Our u is equals to 2x equals to a tan theta. So, tangent theta is equals to 2x over 3. Let's make a right triangle. If this is theta, tangent would be opposite over adjacent. Okay, TOA, opposite is 2x, adjacent is 3. So, this is equivalent to 4x squared plus 9. Okay. Square root. Okay. Right? If you remember, the a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. Okay. So, we need dx, so we have to derive this one. X is equals to 3 halves tan theta. Okay. Dx is equals to 3 halves secant squared theta d theta. Okay. And what else do we need? We need this one. Okay. 4x squared plus 9. So, as I said earlier, we need to combine this this one to a constant. So, this one and this one. Okay. This is the hypotenuse and this is the adjacent. Okay. So, we need this as a numerator. Okay. So, that would be hypotenuse over adjacent. So, that is secant. Okay. Secant theta. Because cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay. Secant theta is the inverse of cosine theta. So, this is equivalent to hypotenuse over adjacent. Okay. So, secant theta would be square root of 4x squared plus 9 over 3. We need a square. Okay. So, 3 secant theta. Okay. 4x squared plus 9. And then, let's square both sides. So, makakancel to. Magiging 9 secant squared theta is equals to 4x squared plus 9. I guess, okay na. Nandyan na lahat yung kailangan natin. So, let's proceed to the substitution. Dx is equivalent to 3 halves secant squared theta d theta. 4x squared over 9 is equivalent to 9 secant squared theta. Okay? So, this will be cancelled. 3 halves over 9 is equals to 1 over 6. So, ang matitira is 1 over 6 d theta. Okay? So, 1/6 d theta is equivalent to 1/6 theta plus c. Now, we can get theta by using this one. Okay? Or this one, anything, okay lang. So, mas madali ito. So, arctan na lang. Arctan 1/6 arctan 2x over 3 plus c. So, this would be the final answer. Okay? So, let's proceed to the next example. Example number 3, x squared dx, 4 minus x squared. Okay. So, as you can see, 4 minus x squared, that is a squared minus u squared. So, we have to use ua sine theta. Okay. A squared minus u squared. Ang use natin is u is equals to a sine theta. Okay. Ang a natin, a squared natin is 4. So, ang a natin is 2. Ang u squared natin is x squared. So, ang u natin is x. So, x is equals to 2 sine theta. Ang dx natin is 2 cosine theta d theta. Ang x squared natin is equivalent to 4 sine squared theta. Okay. Let's use, okay, sine theta over x over 2 equals x over 2. So let's make a triangle. If this is theta, sine theta would be opposite over hypotenuse. So this would be 4 minus x squared. We need this one and we have to combine it with a constant. So adjacent over hypotenuse, cosine theta is equivalent to 4 minus x squared over 2. So square root of 4 minus x squared is equivalent to 2 cosine theta. Okay, so now let's substitute. X squared is 4 sine squared theta. Dx is 2 cosine theta d theta over square root. This is 2 cosine theta. So makakancel to. Ang matitira is 4 sine squared theta d theta. If you remember the powers of sines and cosine, kapag even, diba, we need to use the sine squared theta is equivalent to 1/2 1 minus cosine 2 theta as a substitute. Okay, so ang mangyari dyan is 4 over 2 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. So magiging 4 over 2 is equals to 2. So magiging 2, distribute natin, 2 d theta minus 2 cosine 2 theta. So if we integrate, magiging 2 theta minus minus 2 sine 2 theta plus c. Okay, so ayan, we have to substitute it back. Okay, so theta would be, we can use it here. So arc sine x over 2. Okay, x over 2. And we know that sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine, okay, let's sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, so we can use that one. So let's move here. So 2 theta would be 2 times arc sine, sorry, 2 arc sine x over 2. Okay, and then minus 2 times 2, so 4, minus 4 sine theta cos theta. So sine theta is x over 2, cos theta is square root of 4 minus x squared over 2 plus c. So let's simplify para hindi magulo. Magiging 2 arc sine x over 2, 4, 2, 2, so makakancel, magiging x square root of 4 minus x squared plus c. So this is the final answer. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 4. Ayan, 9 minus x squared dx over x squared. So that is a squared pa din minus u squared. So ganun pa din. Okay, ang a squared natin is 9, so ang a natin is 3. Ang u squared natin ay x squared, so ang u natin is x. So, use u, a sine theta. U is x, 3 sine theta. Okay, so let's make a triangle. Sine theta is equals to x over 3. So, if this is theta, this is x, and 3, this is 9 minus x squared. Okay, so we need dx and x squared. Dx is equivalent to 3 cosine theta d theta. Ang x squared natin is 9 sine squared theta. So, we need this one. We have to combine it with a constant. This is adjacent and hypotenuse. So, we can use cosine theta, square root of 9 minus x squared over 3. So, 3 cosine theta is equivalent to square root of 9 minus x squared. So, now we can now substitute. This one would be 3 cosine theta. Ang dx natin ay 3 cosine theta d theta over x squared na 9 sine squared theta. So, ito magka-cancel na. Ang matitira is cosine squared theta d theta over sine squared theta. Okay. So, this is equivalent to cotangent squared theta d theta. If you remember the powers of cotangents, diba? Pag ganyan, even, we can use the the property na 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equals to cosecant squared theta. Okay, so cotangent squared theta is equals to cosecant squared theta minus 1. So, let's substitute. Magiging cosecant squared theta minus 1 d theta. Distribute natin cosecant squared theta d theta minus d theta. Ang cosecant squared theta, if you integrate that would be negative cotangent theta minus theta plus c. And then, let's substitute it back. Magiging ang cotangent natin, pag tinignan natin sa triangle, ang cotangent theta natin dyan, tao. So, ito, adjacent over opposite. Okay, so negative square root of 9 minus x squared over x. Theta pwede natin kunin sa sine. Okay, x over 3 minus arc sine x over 3 plus c. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, so let us proceed to the last example. Okay, so as you can see, we can use the tangent kasi ang form niya is u squared plus a squared. Okay, ang u squared natin is 9x squared, so ang u natin is 3x. Ang a squared natin is 4, so ang a natin is 2. U is equals to 8 tan theta. So, u is 3x is equals to 2 tan theta. Let's make the triangle. If this is theta, tan theta is equals to 3x over 2. So, opposite over adjacent. So, this would be square root of 9x squared plus 4. Okay? So, we need dx. X is equals to 2/3 tan theta. So, dx is equals to 2/3 secant squared theta d theta. Okay, kailangan natin ng x. Ano pa itong square root? Ito, we need this one and let's combine it to a constant. So, hypotenuse over adjacent. Okay, that is inverse of cosine. So, that is secant theta is equals to 9x squared plus 4 over 2. So, 2 secant theta is equals to 9x squared plus 4. So, we are ready to substitute. Dx is 2/3 secant squared theta d theta. Ang x natin ay 2/3 tan theta. Okay, and this is equivalent to 9x squared. Ay, sorry. tan theta. So this is equivalent to 2 secant theta. Okay, so this would be cancel. Ang matitira dito is ang matitira dyan is secant. Okay, mawawala to. So may matitirang isa, secant theta d theta over 2 tan theta. Okay, so ilabas natin si 1/2. Ang secant theta is 1 over cosine theta. Tan theta is sin theta over cosine theta. Okay, d theta. So pwedeng mag-cancel si cosine theta. Ang matitira is sin 1/2 over 1 over sin theta d theta. So pwede yang maging, ang inverse ng sin is cosecant. Okay, so magiging 1/2 cosecant theta d theta. If you integrate that one, if you remember the trigonometric integration, that is negative 1/2 ln cosecant theta plus cotangent theta plus c. Okay, so negative 1/2 ln. Ang cosecant theta natin dito would be cosecant theta. Let's use the triangle. Cosecant is inverse of sine, so magiging square root of 9x squared plus 4 over 3x. Okay, ang kailangan pa natin isa is cotangent theta. Ang cotangent theta natin is opposite of tangent, which is TOA, so tao, adjacent over opposite. Okay, so let's substitute that one. Magiging square root of 9x squared plus 4 over 3x plus 2 over 3x plus c. Okay, or we can simplify further. Magiging 3x square root of 9x squared plus 4 plus 2 plus c. So this can be our final answer. Okay, so that ends our lecture for this lesson. Thank you very much for listening.